dissolvable, disposable. I don't even know what I'm saying. Just, what's this thing called? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey Meyer, what's up? Today we're going to be doing a what's in my purse video. I've done several of these in the past. Sometimes I've done like Michael Kors. Most of my bags I find secondhand, or I'll see it in just something on the internet. Let's go ahead and show you what he got me. This is the bag right here. Of course, I love pink, and I guess it's a khaki color maybe with the signature C's on it. It's just for vitamins or whatever I'm taking at the moment. This is a way to organize it Monday through Sunday, and it's great. I got it off of Amazon for like $3 or $4. It is just like a notepad or whatever when you have to write down phone numbers or anything that you need to write down is here. I think it's really cute, and purple is one of my favorite colors. But yeah, it's a calming lavender, so that's that. Okay, so this is something I got off of Amazon. It's just a clear type of cosmetic bag. Okay, so this is a cosmetic bag, and it comes with like lip gloss. Also, this little hairbrush. Oh, I got that at Dollar Tree. It's just so. Here's my keys. This comes with a little pouch, and has all different kinds of coins in it, and it has my gym membership on it. And then here's this right here. That's just for my car, and just regular keys. So yeah, in a nutshell, I do prefer Coach over Michael Kors. And I have some Advil for when I ever have like a headache or anything like that. And I'm sorry I'm not wearing makeup really. I just have a little concealer. I just didn't feel like putting a whole lot of makeup on and taking it off, so. Okay, here is Milani, I think so. And it is in color Love, I think, number 2. So that's that. Here's my Crest Scope type of like breast spray or whatever. This is from MAC. I actually don't have anything from MAC except this right now. It's really pretty and goes well over lipstick. Have 2 different perfumes in here, and I think they're actually leaking. That's why my purse smells so good. Okay, we have Viva La, what is it? Viva La Juicy is one, and then this is just a Victoria's Secret one. I have no idea which one it is. So this is a Tide to Go pen, and it's just awesome to have this. Okay, and here's 2 pens. They're gel sparkle pens. Alright, here's my Dollar Tree sunglasses. They're aviator. The only thing about these sunglasses is they bend easily, so once it's like off your face like that, it's hard to fix it.